What's up lovely people? So today in this particular video we are going to see how to make a gauge chart in Power BI. So first of all, let's understand what is a gauge chart. So a gauge chart is a chart which is having a circular arc and showing a single value that measures the progress towards a goal or a KPI, that is a key performance indicator. So this is the definition about gauge chart. So the dataset that we are going to use for making the gauge chart is a sample dataset already provided by Power BI, which is a financials dataset. So let's see how to make a gauge chart. So first of all, we will require some kind of question like what output we are expecting. So we would like to see the gross sales in the financials data. So I am going to drag and drop the gross sales onto the task window. So this will be showing you a default chart, but we do not want that. So just go to the visualization pane and select the gauge chart from there. So you can see over here your default chart has been converted to a gauge chart, but we want to make some customization into it. So for that we have to use the fields onto the right hand side. You can see over here the minimum value, maximum value and target value. So we can use these fields to make a customization in our gauge chart. So let's say I would like to add the maximum values, or let's say I would like to add the target value. So the target value that I would like to add is a COGS value, and I would like to add the average value of both of them. So from the values, just go to the values field and select the average for gross sales. As well, do the same thing for the target value. So just goes to the target value and select average for COGS value. So you can see over here changes are taking place over here. So this is the line or a needle you can see over here, which is nothing but an indicator which is indicating us the target value or the target which has been completed, and we have moved across the value. After that we can also use this minimum and maximum field. So let's say I am going to add the gross sales onto the maximum value, and just go to this arrow and select maximum from there. So you can see the changes are taking place over here. So the maximum has been increases over here. So this is about the fields pane. So we can also add the values manually. We just have to go to the format window, and into the gauge axis we can add all these values manually. So let's say I would like to keep the minimum value as 1 lakh and the maximum value as 2.6 lakh, and the target value that I would like to keep as 2 lakh. So you can see over here, as I am putting my values, the changes are taking place into this graph. So this is all about gauge chart. Thank you so much for watching our video. Stay tuned with us. Take care. Bye bye.